Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Journey with Kitania. Welcome to Kitania's Kitchen. Today we will be preparing sweet and sour fish. It is a special request by my husband's co-worker. She is not feeling well and I hope this recipe will bring her some amount of joy and I wish her a speedy recovery. So here we have about 2.2 kg of codfish, so you can use any fish fillet to do your sweet and sour fish. So I'm going to be cutting these into small pieces. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and I just want to express my thanks, my appreciation, my love for the support that I have been receiving so far. And if you are not stranger anymore, you are family too. So welcome officially to Journey with Kitania. Continue to like, share and subscribe. For our butter, we have 3 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon corn flour. We are going to be combining our ingredients. So we can add this mixture onto our fish. So we can leave this to set for another minute or two and then we go ahead and fry. We have heated our pot over medium heat and we have added some sunflower oil. Now we can go ahead and add our fish. Here we have heated some oil in the skillet. Now we'll be adding some garlic and pimento seed. We will be sauteing this for a minute. We can also add our carrots because they are a bit harder, so we can add them. Now we can add our bell peppers. We have red, green, and yellow, and we will also be adding our onion. So we'll be sauteing these for 3 minutes. While our veggies are being sauteed, we are going to prepare our sweet and sour sauce. Here we have 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce, 3 tablespoons honey, 3 tablespoons ketchup, 3 tablespoons vinegar, and 1 tablespoon cornflour. We will combine our ingredients until all is blended out. Here we have 200 ml of freshly squeezed pineapple juice. We will also be adding this to the mixture. Add some black pepper and salt to season our vegetables. Now we can add our sauce. Cover and bring to a boil. Our sweet and sour sauce is ready. Now we can add our fish and our pineapple cubes. We are now going to add 50 ml of water, stir, and then leave to simmer for a minute. This is looking so good, and the aroma. Sweet and sour fish, serve, and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.